Hi everyone. So you can see this Innova old model has come all the way from Karnataka to Mumbai for the Type 4 modification. So we'll be modifying the entire exterior of this car, and along with that even the interior will get customized. So you can see currently it's an old model. Even the interior of this car will get customized. Stay tuned to Autorounders. We will update you once this project is complete. Thank you guys.
Hi, good evening everyone. This is Davalia from Autorounders. This was a 2005 Innova. We put projector headlights, mirror with indicators. The full interior has been done, including seat covers, rooftop. The finish given here is carbon fiber. The steering wheel also has a carbon fiber on the top. The roof liner is also changed. We have put LED tail lights, and the car has been painted in pearl white, which gives a beautiful shine to the car.